A 12-hour Bandh called by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad brought normal life to a halt across Keonjhar district on Tuesday. The Bandh, being observed from 6 am to 6 pm, has been called to demand the identification and expulsion of alleged infiltrators and troublemakers from the district. Shops, markets, educational institutions and most vehicles stayed off the roads, except for essential services. Major towns, including Keonjhar city, Champua, Joda, Barbil, Patna, Ghosipura and Anandpur, witnessed significant shutdown and disruption. VHP leaders and supporters were seen picketing at various locations from early morning, enforcing the Bandh and urging people to keep establishments closed. Public and private transport largely remained suspended, causing inconvenience to commuters. While the Bandh was remained largely peaceful so far, heavy police deployment has been made across sensitive points to maintain law and order.
जो अनुप्रवेशकारी विच्छिन्नतावादी जो उपद्रवकारी जो बाहर आसीथिबा विभिन्न बांग्लादेशी रोहिंग्या गाँ गंडारे आमर सरल निरीह आदिवासी झील बहु मानू अत्याचार करुचंती एही सब घटना रे आम समस्त को सचेतन करिया पई एवं जिला प्रशासन अधिक क्रियाशील होई जेते अनुप्रवेशकारी अछंती समस्त को गोटी गोटी करी चिन्हट करी आम जिल्लारू राज्यरू तुरंत विताड़ित करा जाऊ एहा ही गोटे मात्र आमर दाबी
आम जिले में अनुप्रवेशकारी किसी आसी बुला बेपारी किसी आसी आम झील बों जो अत्याचार करुँच आम आज राजरास्ता को आसचु आम सरकार को एतिकी आवेदन करुचु कि आम जिलू तुरंत बांग्लादेशी मानू हटा जाऊ आज जदि बांग्लादेशी को हटा नजिब इमिति आम सब महिला राजरास्ता को आसबू।